Hello student, as we have done I think two questions of the exercise 9.2 of the chapter areas of parallelogram in triangle. Now in this video we will proceed the exercise 9.2. Okay, now third question of the exercise. P and Q are any two points lying on the sides DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD so that area of APB is equal to area of BQC. देखो एक कोई पैरेललोग्राम हमें दे रखा है, पैरेललोग्राम ABCD. This is given in the question. And the question is saying P and Q are any two points are lying on the side DC and AD. DC पर हमारा there is any point P and on the side AD there is a point Q. Now you have to prove, this is the condition for the proof, area of APB is equal to area of BQC, and in the given condition ABCD is a parallel. This is the complete question which I have given. Now where is APB? This is the triangle APB. Now so you have to join AP and BP. Now the formation of the triangle APB is equal to area of triangle BQC. Where is BQC? BQC. So you have to join the points BQ and CQ for making the triangle BQC. This is the complete figure which I have given in the question. Now as we have done two theorems in previous days or previous video, if the triangle and the parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, then the area of a triangle will equal to the half of area of the parallelogram. So from here we can see that the APB triangle and the parallelogram ABCD are on the same base AB. So we can say that the area of triangle APB will equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay? Now area of APB will equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Now you have to write the reason. Triangle APB and parallelogram ABCD are on same base. A. Okay? Now where is BQC? BQC. From here also we can say that the triangle BQC and the parallelogram BCDA are on the same base BC. So we can say that the area of triangle BQC will equal to half of area of parallelogram BCDA. Area of BQC is equal to half of area of BCDA. Here you have to write the reason. Triangle BQC and parallelogram BCDA are on same base BC. Okay. From here we can say that the area of parallelogram ABCD and the area of parallelogram BCDA both are same. So the area of BCDA and area of ABCD will equal to each other. Okay. Area of ABCD is equal to area of BCDA. Both are same. BCD or ABCD both are same, so both area will equal to each other, or both area will be same. Now, for the half condition, if you are going to half the area of this parallelogram ABCD, then you have to also half this area, that is the BCDA. Means we can say that half of the area of ABCD will equal to half of area of BCDA. What is the value of half of area of ABCD? Real लिख देना. Both are same. Both are same. What is the value of half of area of ABCD? Area of APB. Area of APB equal to what is the value of half of area of BCDA? Area of BPC. This is the condition which you have to prove in this question. Complete? Yes. Note it down fast. Pause the video and note it down. Please fast. Now, next question. Fourth question. The fourth question is saying P is a point. There is a figure given in this question. That is the fourth of the exercise 9.2. Figure is given look like this. A, B, C, D. There is a point in middle of this parallelogram. Join it look like this. This is the point P. Now, P is a point in the interior of a parallelogram ABCD. Means there is a point in middle of the parallelogram ABCD. It can be here, it can be here, it can be here. Okay. Now, the condition which you have to prove, that is area of APB plus area of PCD is equal to half of area of ABCD. Second condition, area of APD, area of PBC is equal to area of APB plus area of PC. The question, the condition which is given in this question is that is ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, solution. Now, first condition is area of APB. Where is APB? This is APB. APB means there is a triangle APB in the parallelogram ABCD. Now we can say that the triangle APB and the ABCD are on the same base AB, but not between the same parallel lines. So we can't say that the area of triangle APB will equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. This condition only valid where the triangle and parallelogram lie between the same base and between the same parallel lines. But now here the triangle and parallelogram but not present in between the same parallel lines. So we draw a parallel line through a point P by construction A, B, C, D, E, F. Draw EF parallel to AB through P. Now, from here we can say that if the AD is parallel to DC by the condition of parallelogram, AD is parallel to BC. What is the condition? What is the reason? Opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel to each other. Are parallel to each. If this line AD is parallel to BC, then we can say that AE will also parallel to BF. AE is parallel to BF because both lines are same. This is the complete straight line, so we can take the small part AE, and this is the complete BC, and from here also we can see take the small part BF. So we can say that AE will parallel to BF. Now AB is parallel to EF, by construction. So ABFE have the opposite sides parallel to each other. If any quadrilateral are having both pairs of sides are parallel to each other, then that quadrilateral will be parallelogram. Okay, so we can say that ABFE is a parallelogram. Similarly, we can say that the lower part EFCD is also a parallelogram. Similarly, EFCD is also a parallelogram. Now from here we can say that the triangle ABP and the parallelogram ABFE are on the same base AB. So from here area of triangle ABP will equal to half of area of parallelogram ABFE. Area of triangle ABP is equal to half of area of ABFE by the condition of triangle ABP and parallelogram ABFE are on same base. AB. Now for the lower condition we can say that the area of a triangle CPD will equal to half of area of parallelogram DCFE. Area of DCP will equal to half of area of EFCD. What is the reason? triangle CDP and parallelogram EFCD are on same base. Are on same base CD. Any problem? Now, taken this condition as the first condition and this is the second condition. Now we are going to add both conditions because the triangle condition will be in add condition. So we are going to add both conditions, first and second. First plus second. So the LHS will added to the LHS and RHS will added to RHS. Area of triangle ABP plus area of triangle DCP will equal to half of area of ABFE plus half of area of EFCD. Area of ABP or APB plus area of PCB. Area of PCB is equal to, taken 1 by 2 common, then area of ABFE plus area of ABFE plus area of EFCD, then the whole parallelogram ABCD. This is the condition which you have to prove. Complete. Note it down fast. Now we are going to solve this, or we are going to solve, or we are going to prove this second condition. Note it down fast. Pause the video and note it down. Now for the second condition. Now for the second condition, both parts are similar to each other. For this second part, you have to draw this line EFGH. By construction, draw GH parallel to AD. Draw GH parallel to AD. Now solution. If CD is parallel to AB, then we can say DH will also parallel to AG. DC is parallel to AB, then we can say opposite sides of parallelogram. DH will parallel to AG and AD is parallel to GH by construction. So we can say that AGHD is a parallelogram by both of the conditions, because opposite sides of the quadrilateral are parallel to each other, then AGHD is a parallel. So now the triangle APD, this is the point P, triangle APD and the parallelogram AGHD are on the same base AD. So we can say that the area of APD is equal to half of area of AGHD. Reason लिख लेना बेटा. Now in second condition, triangle BPC and the parallelogram BGHC, area of BPC is equal to half of area of BGHC. Reason is same. that the triangle BPC and the parallelogram BGH are on the same base BC. ठीक है? Now both add both condition. This is the condition third. This is the condition fourth. You can write the region from the previous part. Now third plus fourth, area of APD plus area of BPC is equal to half of area of AGHD plus half of area of BGH. Area of APD plus half of area of BTC or PVC. You can write this PVC taken as 1 by 2 as common. 1 by 2 as common. And A remaining is area of AGHD plus area of BGH. Okay. Now we are going to add both areas AGHD and BGHC. Then it will be a complete parallelogram ABCD. Area of parallelogram ABCD, half of area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to this condition in the previous part. So we can write it as area of APB plus area of PC. And this is the condition which you have to put. Only this is the area of PVC. This is the condition which you have to put. Okay? Note it down fast. Pause the video and note it. Thank you. Thank you, beta. आगे next question we will be doing in next video.